Welcome back to my channel, guys. How are you doing? How are you doing, guys? So this video is just going to be me sharing with you something that has been working really well for my 4C natural hair, and I use this when I run out of products or when I don't just want to use conditioner only to detangle my natural hair, or when I just don't want to use my leave-in conditioner to detangle my natural hair. So I'm going to be sharing with you this mix that you can use to detangle and also moisturize your natural hair, and it's so useful, especially when you probably you run out of your products, or you just don't want to use a conditioner, or you can't afford to get the conditioner that you want to get for now. I totally understand that. So I'm going to be sharing that with you, and let's get right into the video. But first of all, one thing only for me. So I'm gonna need you to do something for me. Please subscribe, okay? I need that support from you. Please subscribe, and when you subscribe, tap the bell beside the subscribe button just so you get notified whenever I post a new video, okay? And if this is your first time here, this dance is for you. And if you've been an all-time zombie, you are the real MVP, and I don't take you for granted. Alright, I've talked too much. Let's just get started, okay? Starting off, this hair is like a 3-week-old twist that I converted to a twist out. I'm going to be leaving the link to that video here on my YouTube channel at the end of this video so you can watch it. I was so amazed with the definition I got. I converted that 3-week-old protective style I did, protective style I did, to a twist out, and it was wonderful. But then we have a really tangled situation right here, and this mixture is about to do the job. You'll be needing water in a spray bottle, clean water, warm water to be precise, then leave-in conditioner and an oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Then you proceed to add the leave-in conditioner into the spray bottle, and when you add the leave-in conditioner, you then add the oil. Like I said, the water has to be warm, okay, so it will be able to penetrate your hair strands and moisturize and detangle your hair at the same time, okay? And then when you're done, you shake it. As you can see that it just won't mix. You have to just shake it for everything to join together, and this is what you have when you shake it properly, okay? To make the detangling process really easy for you, I advise you, first of all, section your hair. Divide your hair into sections just so you're not overwhelmed, and the parts you've not detangled will not get mixed up with the parts that you've detangled. Section your hair properly and hold it with any hair clamp or whatever you can use to hold your hair in place. I also advise that you drape an old clean cloth over your shoulders, just so the cloth you're wearing doesn't get messed up. But if the cloth you're wearing, you want to wash it, or you plan to wash it after doing this, then of course you can use it. I just like draping this old gown over my shoulder so I don't have water running all over my body. So before you start off, please make sure you shake. You'll notice that the mixture tends to separate, so you want to shake. And then what I first of all do is, when I apply this mixture on my hair, I first of all slightly finger detangle, not like thoroughly detangling with your fingers, but gently finger detangling. The essence of gently finger detangling is just to get rid of any stubborn knots already in your hair, because in this case my hair was really tangled, so I needed to just do a quick finger detangling before going in with any wide tooth comb. So when you're done slightly finger detangling, then you can go in with a wide toothed comb or any detangling brush that you use to detangle your natural hair. It's totally optional to finger detangle before you do this, but generally, personally for me, I just like to finger detangle slightly before I go in with any detangling tool that I use in detangling my natural hair.
each section that I'm done with, I just like put it in a very loose twist just so it doesn't mix up. Then you proceed to do the same thing to the next section that you're about to detangle. First of all, shake the mixture, because like I said earlier, they tend to separate. When you shake it, spread it on your hair. If your hair is of low porosity like mine, you know low porosity means that your hair hardly, like, it's not easy for your hair to take in moisture like that. So when you squeeze it, gently massage the mixture into your hair to help your hair penetrate the product. That is why it's very important to do this with warm water. Okay, then when you apply this on your hair, you finger detangle if you want to, and then you proceed to detangle with any detangling tool that you use in detangling your natural hair. So this was the amount of hair I lost by just detangling that back section of my hair, like very minimal, because I carried this twist for up to 4 weeks. So for me to just lose that amount of hair just detangling that one, like, it's really good. This mixture is so amazing. So I'm just loosening up the twist to show you how really well detangled my hair is, even after you losing the loose twist that you kept your hair in. This is so lovely, y'all, so lovely. So I just wanted to show you more how this will work on another hair texture. So I used my friend's hair. Her hair here is really dirty. Okay, her hair here is really dirty. It's like 5 weeks like she installed a protective style, so I wanted to use her hair texture. Hair texture is 3A, so I just wanted to use it to show you that it works on all natural, like black natural hair textures. Permit me to use that. Okay, so you get the section of hair that you want to work on, squeeze this mixture on it. Of course, shake well before squeezing, because like I said earlier, again, it tends to separate. Okay, and then you gently finger detangle. When you're done finger detangling is optional. Then you go in with a wide tooth comb, and can you see how it softened her hair, just like it softened my own hair? Like, it's really softened it, and then it made detangling so easy. Like, it was such a breeze for me, and she was so happy, like, me doing this for her. So yeah, it totally works on other hair textures, and it makes detangling so easy. Just like I did on my own hair, after detangling, I go ahead to twist that section into like a loose twist, just so it doesn't interfere with other sections that have not detangled. And I go ahead to repeat the same process all over her hair. Try this, and please let me know, have you ever tried this on your natural hair, and has it worked? And if you haven't, please let me know in the comment section as well if you're going to try this on your 4C hair or on any hair texture of natural hair generally. I love this mixture. It's so amazing, y'all, and I couldn't just wait to share it with you. I couldn't just wait. Please, if you've watched to this point and you're really enjoying this video and you're finding it really useful, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe. If you love it here, please subscribe. When you subscribe, tap the bell beside the subscribe button. I'll really appreciate that. The essence of tapping the bell beside the subscribe button is so you get notified whenever I post new videos. I upload natural hair video content to all just make our natural hair journey very stress-free, and also to let you know that we are here, and I got you, sis. I got you.
Your client said she doesn't want her face to show.
It's okay.
Embarrassed. Hey, my neck cannot turn me.
What would you tell me?
Is there no smelling by the end? I'm just wondering how you're even coughing.
This is 5 weeks worth of shedding, which is not bad in my opinion at all. So please, I'll see you guys in my next video. Subscribe, tap the bell beside the subscribe button, and take care of yourself. Peace.